Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to front run in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Front running means staying in the lead from start to finish, a crucial skill for winning races consistently. It involves a combination of precise driving, smart item usage, and defensive strategies. We'll cover key techniques to help you maintain your advantage and cross the finish line in first place, even against tough opponents. Let's dive into the details. When you're in first place, item management shifts to defense. Always try to hold a defensive item, such as a green shell or banana, behind you. This acts as a shield against incoming red shells. If a blue shell is approaching, a super horn is your best counter, destroying it instantly. Save your mushrooms for quick boosts over rough terrain or to take a strategic shortcut, maintaining your lead. Maintaining your lead requires impeccable driving. Focus on taking the optimal racing line, which is generally the shortest path around the track. Master your drift boosts, aiming for at least a super mini-turbo on most turns to gain speed. Avoid hitting any obstacles or going off-road, as even a slight slowdown can allow opponents to catch up. Consistent, clean driving is paramount to staying ahead of the pack. For advanced front running, always keep an eye on your minimap to track opponents and anticipate their item attacks. Knowing when a red shell is coming allows you to prepare your defense. Collecting 10 coins is vital, as it provides a significant boost to your top speed, making it harder for others to overtake you. Consistent practice across various tracks will solidify these skills, ensuring you stay in first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.